In front of me is Oppo A95, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for remove pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also hold your device's screen instead. Click on Remove button at the top right corner of your search bar and confirm your choice in the same pop-up as before. Then click on Done at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!